Good morning, class. Welcome to St. Peter School. This is your science class, and in previous class, we have already completed the question and answer of chapter 1. Now, today we are going to start with the chapter number 2, that is work and energy. So, actually, we are very late for our session, so I'm going a little bit faster. Today, I'm going to complete this chapter in a day, and we'll discuss a more point of the chapter when we solve the question and answer. So let's begin with the chapter. First of all, the first topic is work. Okay, so as the topic and like derives itself, that what is the topic of the chapter is work and energy. So first of all, what is work? So which is makes work is like work done on an object is defined as the product of the magnitude of the force acting on the body and the displacement in the direction of the force. That is work is equal to F into S. Now where S is the displacement. Okay. So whenever when you put any force and that there is a displacement occurs in that object, that is called work. Or if the displacement will not occur, suppose you are just forcing and no displacement is occurring, in that case no work is done. Okay. If a force acting on a body cause no displacement, the work done is zero. For example, pushing a wall, you're pushing a wall but wall is not moving from its place, so in that case what your work will be zero. Your force is there but there is no displacement, so work is zero. Because work is equal to F into S, अगर हम S को zero रखते हैं और force कितना भी ले ले, so any number when it is multiplied by zero, then it will become zero. Okay. Now energy, what is energy? Energy defined as the ability to do work. Its unit is the same as that of the work. Energy is defined as the ability to work. Okay. वर्क की एफिशिएंसी को बोलते हैं एनर्जी. कितना you have what an efficiency you like some like the kids have less efficiency than you. जो क्लास 4 का बच्चा होगा या फिर सपोज क्लास 2 का बच्चा होगा, they can't force a heavy table, but the you are you are adult one, you can force the table easily. So what is there is a difference in the efficiency of you and the kid of the class 2 or 4. So they are a small kid, so their energy level is low while your energy level is high. So energy is defined as the ability to do work. Its unit is the same as that of work. SI unit of energy or the work is called joule. दोनों का सेम ही होता है यूनिट, केजी मीटर पर सेकंड स्क्वायर. And energy has different forms: light, heat, chemical, electrical, or mechanical. Okay, very important. And there are different types of energy in this world: light, heat, chemical, electrical, or mechanical. So we are going to study about all this type of energy. Not so we will start with mechanical energy or the electrical energy, which is also known as electrical energy. Mechanical energy is further divided into two parts, that is kinetic energy and the potential energy. Okay. Now we'll discuss later on what is kinetic energy and what is potential energy. See, this is the is now okay. We will discuss in this chapter only about the mechanical energy or the electrical energy. We will not discuss about the light, heat, and chemical energy. We'll discuss about the mechanical energy. जो हम physically apply किया जाता है, that is called mechanical energy. This is of two types: kinetic and potential energy. Now see in this picture you can see what the boy is trying to pull one box, heavy box. So we will see what is kinetic energy in this, how to display the kinetic energy. Object in the motion possesses energy and can do work. This energy is called kinetic energy. Okay. अभी कोई भी ऑब्जेक्ट जब मोशन में होता है, सो इट हैज एनर्जी टू डू वर्क. मीन्स लाइक इट सपोज द बॉल इज मूविंग एंड व्हेन इट इज मूविंग एंड व्हेन इट विल बी like hit the your face, what happen, you will get hurt. So some work that ball has some energy and it has done some work on your face. आपके बॉल फेस को हर्ट कर दिया. The same thing is saying here that if the body is in a motion, कोई भी बॉडी अगर जब मोशन में होता है, it possesses some energy. वो जब भी कभी भी गिरेगा तो like any type of sound will occur, or like any hurt will occur. अगर ऑब्जेक्ट थोड़ा लाइट है तो कुछ टूटेगा नहीं, बट साउंड हो सकता है. So वो that is a type of energy. So this energy is called a kinetic energy. Force is equal to mass into acceleration, we all know. So work is equal to F into S, force, and then we will put the, in place of force, we will put the MA, M. And what is from the second equation of motion, we all know that V square is equal to U square equal to 2S. So what is the value of S? S is equal to V square into square minus U square by 2A. Substituting the equation for work done by moving the body M into A इंटू एस की वैल्यू पुट यहाँ पे करेंगे. अब फोर्स की वैल्यू हमने एम में पुट किया है. तो काइनेटिक एनर्जी इक्वल टू काइनेटिक एनर्जी इक्वल टू हाफ इक्वल टू एम वी स्क्वायर टेकिंग इनिशियल वेलोसिटी इज zero. So what we are doing actually here, we are calculating once the work is calculated. Okay, so energy is the same thing. Energy is the same thing. So when you will solve this formula, you will get this half is equal to mv square. Okay, when two identical bodies are in motion, the body with a higher velocity has more kinetic energy. जब कोई भी दो body move कर रहा है, and so the body which is moving with a high velocity will have the more kinetic energy. Okay, work energy theorem. Now it's explaining here a work energy theorem. Okay, potential energy क्या होता है? Now we will see what is potential energy. Potential energy के basis पे हमने देखा work energy का क्या theorem है. Okay, potential energy is like if the some object is placed on the height, so it has some potential. When it will fall down, it will fall with the energy. Okay, potential energy, you can see the girl is standing on the height with the ball. So a girl is not moving, but when she will leave the ball, it will move with some energy. So because it when the girl is holding the ball, there is some energy is stored in this ball. And you can understand like this, the earth has gravitational force, so earth is putting some force on the ball, and this is called the energy is inside, like it is stored in the ball. So whenever ball is left, it falls on the ground with some energy, and this is called only the potential energy. So it means अगर moving body में energy को बोलते हैं kinetic energy, but if the body is in a rest, and so it has a some potential energy. Work energy theorem क्या होता है? The work energy theorem states that the net work done by the moving body can be calculated by finding the change in kinetic energy. Okay, work net, when we have to calculate कि actually कितना हमने work किया, so kinetic energy of the final and kinetic energy of the initial. Okay, and we all know that the formula of kinetic energy is half is equal to mv squared. So as there is given some initial well, kinetic energy and final kinetic energy, so we can find the work net by this formula. Now factors affecting kinetic energy. Okay, so what affects the kinetic energy? Mass, velocity, momentum, potential energy. This can affect the kinetic energy. Like suppose if the body is moving with a larger velocity, it has more kinetic energy. If it is moving with a less velocity, it has the less velocity, sorry, less kinetic energy. And everything is dependent on each other, so everything affects the kinetic energy. Energy can get stored in an object when work is done on it. For example, stretching a rubber string. Okay, the energy that is possessed by a body by virtue of its configuration or changing position is known as potential energy. Now when you stretch the rubber, suppose when you stretch the rubber and then you will leave the rubber, when you stretch the rubber, rubber has rubber की configuration change की गई, right? वो उसको स्ट्रेच करके छोड़ा गया है. इट ट्राई टू कम इन देयर रेस्ट पोजीशन. इसी तरह बॉल को जब हम ऊपर हाइट से छोड़ते हैं, वो अपने रेस्ट पोजीशन पे आना चाहता है वापस से. सो दैट इज कॉल्ड पोटेंशियल एनर्जी. थ्री टाइप्स ऑफ पोटेंशियल एनर्जी. जो पोटेंशियल एनर्जी को मतलब विच टाइप ऑफ एनर्जी स्टोर्ड? फर्स्ट इज ग्रेविटेशनल, सेकंड इज केमिकल, एंड थर्ड इज इलास्टिक. Okay, energy potential that comes from an object's height and weight is called gravitational energy. Chemical energy, energy potential comes from the atoms it contains and the chemical reaction that takes place within the object. हम बोलते हैं ना एप्पल, ये सम एप्पल हैज आल्सो सम एनर्जी. So some atoms or the some chemical substances have some energy, stored energy in it, and when we consume it, we got the same energy. Elastic energy potential of an object being compressed or stretched, अगर कभी भी होगा तो उसमें potential energy ही होगा. The potential energy of an object at a height, when an object is raised to a certain height, work is done against the gravity to change its position. This energy is stored as a potential energy. मैंने पहले ही बताया, जब वो लड़की बॉल को लेके गई थी, वहां पे एक एनर्जी उस बॉल के अंदर स्टोर था. वो क्या था एक्चुअली? तो ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स ही था. बट वो उसकी वजह से वो जब छोड़ता है तो वो ही ट्राई टू बिकम इन अ रेस्ट पोजीशन, एंड ग्रेविटेशन फोर्स के रूप में उसके अंदर एक एनर्जी स्टोर हो जाती है. The potential energy of an object of a at okay, work is equal to Fs, F is equal to ma. In case of the increasing height, F is equal to mg. Okay, a को चेंज करके हम यहाँ पे g करेंगे, क्योंकि a एक्सीलरेशन वहाँ पे क्या है, ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स है. therefore work is equal to potential energy is equal to mgh, because it depends on the height also. Okay, that's why potential energy is equal to mgh. नाउ ओके, सो इन द सेम, यहाँ पे भी अगर आपको कुछ हाइट इनिशियल है फाइनल, वी कैन कैलकुलेट विद दिस इक्वेशन. Now the last topic, law of conservation of energy. What is law of conservation of energy? Law of conservation of energy states that energy can neither be created nor be destroyed, but can be transferred from one form to another. The total energy before and after the transformation remains constant. Total energy is equal to kinetic energy plus potential energy. For example, consider a ball falling freely from a height. At height h, it has only potential energy mgh. By the time it is about to hit the ground, it has a velocity and therefore has kinetic energy is equal to 12 mb square, sorry, half mb square. You just put a यहाँ पे एक स्लैश देंगे, हाफ एम बी स्क्वायर. therefore energy gets transferred from potential energy to kinetic energy while the total energy remains the same. Power. नाउ यहाँ पे क्या होता है, लॉ ऑफ कंजर्वेशन ऑफ एनर्जी इस तरह से समझो कि जो टोटल एनर्जी होता है वो किसी भी बॉडी को मूवमेंट में, अगर कोई भी बॉडी में अगर पोटेंशियल एनर्जी है, सो इट विल लेटर ऑन ट्रांसफर इनटू काइनेटिक एनर्जी. कभी भी एनर्जी डिस्ट्रॉय नहीं होता. इट मींस लाइक आप बॉल को बहुत ज़्यादा बैलेंस करके छोड़ोगे एंड तो वो ऐसा नहीं है कि पोटेंशियल एनर्जी जाके खत्म हो जाएगा. नो, पोटेंशियल एनर्जी ट्रांसफर्ड इनटू द काइनेटिक एनर्जी, and the work, so in that case what happens, the total energy when we have to calculate, so we will calculate kinetic energy plus potential energy. Work done same रहेगा. By the time it is about to hit the ground, it has a velocity k is equal to half m. Therefore energy gets transferred from potential to kinetic while the total energy remains the same. Now, what is power? The rate of doing work or the rate of transfer of energy is called power. It is denoted by P. P is equal to watt. SI unit is watt. Okay. Average power is equal to total energy consumed by total time taken. So it's a nothing. It's a rate of change of energy is called power. Okay. Total energy consumed by total time taken. The commercial unit of the power is kilowatt, and energy used in 1 hour at 1000 joules per second. So what is the unit of what is equal to joule per second? Okay, and in this way we can calculate the power. So I think we are done with this chapter. When we will solve the question and answer, you will understand more better. और इसके अलावा इसकी चैप्टर में कुछ नहीं है, जो भी है लाइक we have already discussed the main points of this chapter. So we will now next class move to the question answer. So till the time, start what you are going to do, give reading to the chapter and give reading to these notes. You will understand better, and then next class we will discuss the question answer. Till that time, thank you. Bye bye.